Alright, so we're going to talk about combining like terms first. And with combining like terms, which is a seventh grade skill, we're basically doing a review so we'll know what to do with multi-step equations, which is going to be a video of its own. So combining like terms, this is the graphic organizer I did in class. We filled in that combining like terms have to be the same variable, same exponent. B is the same as BA, which means the order of the letters does not matter as long as the letters are the same, the variables are the same. And I'm saying letters just in case people forget variables means letters. So the first thing I told you to do was to kind of circle your like terms so you can see them. So the very first like terms I see a square, so I go straight for it. You have a negative 4x squared. Yes, it is a negative because a minus is a negative. And then I have 2x squared. Got those two. Now, I see all these x's. I want to get rid of those, or at least identify those. So that's a negative 2x, a negative 4x, and a negative 15x. If you notice, all the numbers I did not circle have no variable. They are constants. And so those constants are just regular numbers. So we can add and subtract those. Remember, when we add and subtract the variables, they still have the variables. So the very first thing I'm going to write down is the negative 4x to the second power plus the 2x to the second power because those are alike. Next, I have my x's, and I'm going to put them up a little higher. I didn't mean to write those down low. My negative 2x minus 4x minus 15x. And then we have our variables, which are 3 plus 5 plus 11 minus the 15. Now, we need to take care of our squares first. So here we have negative 4 plus 2, and negative 4 plus 2 will give us a negative 2 again. So negative 2x squared. So we're going to do negative 2 minus 4 minus 15, and that gives us a negative 21x. And a negative is a minus, so you see I put a minus there. Next, I'm going to go to my calculator and do 3 plus 5 plus 11 minus 15, and I get a positive 4. So this is your answer. Because we have simplified it as much as we can with like terms. So let's move to the next one. I see an x and I see a 2x. I see an xy, that's not a match. I see a negative 3x. And that's all my x's because the rest of my x are y. So since I've seen the xy, I'm going to go ahead and circle. This is a 1xy, 2xy, or negative 3yx. Have those. Now, I see that my constants are left over, so I kind of box those. And you notice I'm using 3 different colors so I can see what goes with what. So we have a 1x plus 2x minus 3x. And then we have a 1yx. Yes, that is a 1 when they do not write the number. And there's only 1 there. 2xy minus 3xy. And I rearranged the letters to match the others. Next is our constant. So we have negative 9 minus 2 minus 4. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0. 0x. Because 0 times x is just 0. So we're going to erase that soon. And then this one is 0xy. Negative 9. So we're going to do that. 9 negative minus 2 minus 4. I got a negative 15. So minus 15. But since those are all zeros, Your answer is just simply negative 15. Alright, so our very last one. I'm going to go through and grab my x's first because I already know I see an x. I see 4x, I see 2x, and then I see a minus x. I see a yz, yz. Oh, that's an xyz. And here. So since this is an xyz, and I do not see another xyz, I'll box that. So I know they're the same, that it's by itself in a different color. After that, it's all my constants. So I'm going to go first with the x, because x comes before y. X plus 2x minus the 1x. So we have those. Now we're going to do that single one by itself. It was 4x, y, z. It's by itself. And then I'm going to do my yz because, after x comes yz. So 1yz plus 2yz. And I reordered that. And then finally my constants, negative 3 plus 8 minus 9. So now I can do 4x plus 2, take away that 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, take away 1, it's 5x. We bring down the 4xyz. And then we add 1 plus 2 is 3yz. And then negative 3 negative plus 8 minus 9. I get a negative 4. So minus 4. And here's our answer. We're going to box it. And we combine our like terms. Now we had homework for like terms. So you should have got plenty of practice from that. We're going to go over the distributive property in the next video. And that was our thing. And then finally, we're going to go over multi-step. So hopefully this helped you, especially if you missed the lesson. But good luck.